Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to transfer your Modic tokens from Gemini to KuCoin in 2025. If you're looking to move your crypto assets for better opportunities or just to diversify, this step-by-step tutorial will have you sorted in no time. Modic, or Modic as it's commonly known, is the native token of the Polygon network, and transferring it between exchanges like Gemini and KuCoin is a common practice for savvy investors. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Gemini and KuCoin, and that your Modic is safely in your Gemini wallet. Start by logging into your Gemini account. Once you're in, head over to the Assets, or Wallet, section and find your Modic balance. Click on it to access the withdrawal options. This is where the magic happens. Next, select Withdraw for Modic. You'll need to enter the destination address, so hop over to your KuCoin account. Log in there and go to the Assets page, then find Modic and click on Deposit. KuCoin will generate a unique deposit address for you. Copy that carefully, as it's crucial for the transfer to go smoothly. Back on Gemini, paste the KuCoin deposit address into the withdrawal form. Double-check everything. The address, the amount you're sending, don't forget to leave some for network fees. And any additional details like the network type, which for Modic is usually Polygon or ERC20 on Ethereum. Once you're confident, hit Confirm and authorize the transaction with your Gemini security measures, like 2FA. Now, sit tight. Crypto transfers can take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your transaction status using a blockchain explorer like Polygon Scan. Once it's confirmed, head back to KuCoin and refresh your assets page. Your Modic should appear shortly. And there you have it, folks. You've successfully transferred Modic from Gemini to KuCoin in 2025. Always remember to stay safe. Verify addresses, use secure connections, and never rush the process. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.